Hello everyone and welcome back. If you see a linear equation like this where the variable x is on both sides of the equation and you're not sure where to start, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to solve it, and you'll see it's actually very straightforward. Our main goal is to get all the x terms on the one side of the equation and all the constant numbers on the other side. It does not matter which side you choose for the x's, so let's move them to the left. To get rid of the 2x from the right side, we subtract 2x from the both sides. So left hand side becomes 5x plus 3 minus 2x equals, and the right hand side becomes 2x minus 2x plus 15. Remember, whatever you do to the one side of the equation, you must do to the other side equation to keep it balanced. Now on the left hand side, 5x minus 2x gives us 3x plus 3 equals, and on the right hand side 2x minus 2x cancels out and that leaves us with 15. That leaves us with 3x plus 3 equals 15. Great. Now the x terms are together. The next step is to isolate that 3x term. We need to get rid of plus 3. So we do the opposite and subtract 3 from both sides. So 3x plus 3 minus 3 equals 15 minus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 cancels out. We have 3x equals 15 minus 3 equals 12. So now we have a much simpler equation, 3x equals 12. We're almost there. 3x means 3 times x. To get x by itself, we do the opposite of multiplication. So we divide both sides by 3. So 3x upon 3 equals 12 upon 3. On the left hand side, 3 upon 3 cancels out and that leaves us with x. And on the right hand side, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Which means our solution is x equals 4. Now this is a critical step that many people skip. Let's check our work by plugging 4 back into the original equation for x. Remember, our original equation was 5x plus 3 equals 2x plus 15. Now let's substitute the value of x, which is 4, into the original equation. 5 times 4 plus 3 equals 2 times 4 plus 15. Which means 5 times 4 equals 20 plus 3 equals 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 15. 20 plus 3 equals 23 and 8 plus 15 also equals 23. Which means our solution x equals 4 is actually correct and valid. So to recap, first get your variable terms on one side, then isolate the variable term by moving the constants. Finally solve and always verify. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe for more clear algebra explanations.